Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Talk channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. I'm Leo, and hello to our amazing listeners. I am so happy to be here with you today.
It's great to see you, Leo. You look very happy today. You have a big smile on your face.
I do. I'm feeling very good. The year is almost finished.
It really is. Can you believe it? The end of the year is here. It went so fast. It felt like a blink of an eye.
It went very, very fast. One moment it was spring, and now, winter.
Exactly. And because the year is ending, today we have a very special episode. We're going to talk about how to plan your next year.
Wow, planning the next year. That sounds big and maybe a little difficult. I definitely need this. I am not very organized. My plans are usually messy and I end up feeling lost.
Don't worry, Leo. We will help you and everyone listening. We will talk about easy ways to organize your life for the new year without any stress.
That sounds perfect. But Anna, before we start planning, we must ask our friends for a small favor.
You're right. If you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button now. It's a small click for you, but it helps us reach more people.
Yes, and please subscribe to the English Talk channel. We want to learn English with you every week. Share this video with a friend so you can plan your next year together.
Great idea. Okay, Leo, are you ready to get organized? The first step isn't about what you will do tomorrow, it's about what you did yesterday. We call this reflection. Imagine the past year is a mirror.
A mirror? But I want to look forward.
I know, Leo, but if you don't look back, you will repeat the same mistakes. You have to ask yourself, what made me happy?
Ah, I see. I should think about the good things from this year.
Yes, in journalism, we call them highlights. Grab a notebook and write down 3 to 5 happy moments.
Let me think. This year, I spent a lot of time in the garden with my dogs. That was a highlight for me.
That's a great example. It helps you realize that rest and nature are important to you.
Okay, step 1, reflect. But what about the goals? I always write huge lists.
That's the danger. You write, I'm going to read 50 books. I'm going to run a marathon. I'm going to be perfect. And what happens in February?
I quit. I get tired just looking at the list. I feel like a failure.
Exactly. The solution is the one big goal rule. Pick only one major annual goal. Just one.
Only one? But I want to learn English, be healthy, and save money.
If you try to climb 10 mountains at the same time, you never leave the base. Pick the most important one. What is it for you?
For next year, my goal is health. I want to feel more energetic.
Perfect. Now we turn that goal into micro habits, tiny steps.
How do I do that with health?
Instead of saying, I will train for 2 hours, you say, I will walk for 20 minutes. It's a tiny step.
20 minutes? I can do that. I can do that after lunch.
Exactly. Your brain isn't scared of 20 minutes, but it is terrified of 2 hours.
I have my reflection and my 20-minute walk habit. What's next?
Now for the visual part. You need a paper calendar.
But I have a calendar on my phone. It pings me when I have meetings.
The phone is good for alarms, but it's bad for the big picture. A big paper calendar on the wall lets you see the whole year at once.
Why the whole year?
To see the empty spaces, you need to plan your leisure time with the same seriousness as your work.
Planning fun? Isn't that a bit weird?
Not at all. If you don't plan your rest, work will fill all the space. On your calendar, write the holidays first, then the birthdays. Leo, did you forget any birthdays this year?
Don't remind me. I forgot my mother's birthday. She was very sad, and I felt terrible.
See? If it was on a paper calendar, you would have seen the date approaching every single day.
You're right. I'm hanging a calendar in my kitchen.
Great. Now let's talk about the word of the year. It's your emotional compass.
One word? Just one?
Yes. Every decision you make has to pass through this word. My word for 2026 is quiet.
Quiet, but you work so much.
Yes, but I want to do things quietly. No rushing, no shouting. If a new project brings chaos, I say no, because my word is quiet.
I get it. Let me pick mine. I want mine to be progress.
Progress. Excellent. Why?
Because I don't want to be perfect, I just want to be better than yesterday, one step at a time.
Perfect. When you're tired of your 20-minute walk, you think, my word is progress. Just 5 more minutes.
That really helps me stay focused. It's like a secret motto.
And when you write all this down, the goal, the dates, the word, something happens inside. Like, when I write it down, my head is quiet. I can relax.
I feel that. When the list is in my head, it feels like a swarm of bees. On paper, it's just words. Anna, what about our English? How do we fit that into the progress plan?
The same way. Don't say, I will study for 3 hours a day. That's a lie we tell ourselves on January 1st.
I've told that lie many times.
Instead, say, I will learn 5 new words every week.
Only 5? That seems like too little.
Leo, do the math. 5 words a week for 52 weeks. That's over 250 new words a year.
Wow, 250 words. With that, I can have a basic conversation about almost anything.
Exactly. And you can add, I will listen to the English Talk podcast every Tuesday.
I already do that. It's my favorite part of the week.
Then half the plan is already done. To celebrate this new cycle, I always recommend a ritual. Buy a new notebook.
Another notebook? I have so many at home with only 2 pages written.
But this one will be different because you have the one big goal focus. A new, colorful notebook symbolizes that the past is behind you. It's a clean slate.
A clean slate that I'm going to fill with progress. I like that. I'm going to pick a green notebook, the color of hope.
Excellent choice. Planning isn't about being a productive robot. It's about freedom. Planning is good for the brain because it breaks the stress cycle.
I feel much lighter, Anna. The new year doesn't feel like a scary monster anymore. It feels like an opportunity.
That's the whole idea. We want all our listeners to feel this relief.
So, shall we recap so nobody forgets?
Let's do it.
First, reflection. Look at the mirror of the past year and find the joy.
Second, one big goal. Pick one meta and break it into micro habits.
Third, the paper calendar on the wall. Marked birthdays and, very importantly, fun time.
Fourth, pick your word of the year, your compass.
And fifth, plan your English with 5 words a week and start a new, colorful notebook.
If you follow these steps, 2026 won't be a blur of tasks. It will be a year with color and meaning.
I can't wait to start my green notebook.
And we will be here every week to be part of your plan.
True, mark it in your calendar. Tuesday is English Talk Day.
Before we go, we have our golden question for you at home.
Yes, we want to know, what is your word of the year?
Write it in the comments. Is it courage, peace, health, English? We love reading your choices, and it helps us prepare the next episodes.
Writing in the comments is also a great way to practice your English. Don't be shy.
If you liked this planning guide, subscribe to the channel and share it with your family. Let's all have a more organized year.
Thank you for listening. Happy planning, everyone.
Take care and see you in the next episode. Bye.
Goodbye, friends.